All right, one more off the road. I guess this is Luxury Lane. I was complaining in the last video that I didn't find anything, so I guess this is supposed to be the area where everything is all great and fine and good. So you have something here that it's a convertible, right? Let's have the top down. So very nice, 12 speed. I like the color. So let's see what they mean by luxury. But the top should be down to give the look. You can look inside. So, what the hell this thing is? It's a Bentley.
Oh, you do. Yeah. Here's another white Bentley.
It's a little spendy. A little spendy.
You know, if I could buy a nice house, I
know.
could get out of the hood.
I tell absolutely,
for that.
absolutely. They should have the top down on it. They should have it. They should. So it's a Bentley. Okay. 23 here. 330,000. Sorry, not buying it. No need. So we're getting into Porsches that don't look anything different than anything else. I don't, I get it. People like him and Han over these things. They're nice, we're wrong. Again, have the top down. Aston Martin. Moore, he's over in Wayzata. So I guess these are the big dogs. 23 Maserati. I get it. I know it's the big deal. I get it, luxury, but because you can, I get it. I'm trying to belittle. I get it. That looks like a box. That looks like a box, doesn't it? I mean, it's nothing special. I mean, I'm sorry. Give me a Navigator. This is nothing special. And this right here, sir. That's a joke. That should be at least 30,000. At least, sir. It's a joke that they get 17.
17.
And what do they get? 100 and
For this big?
what the hell do they get for this thing? 109,000. I'm sorry. They can get 50 miles a gallon. Try if they wanted, they could.
I hate this car.
Hey, it looks like a coffin. Look, it does. It looks like you should throw your. You could use a hearse. I'm dead serious. And they want. Oh my God. No, thank you. There's nothing class to it. Looks like a railroad truck, railroad box car. It does. Serious. They get back to the AMCs. Remember AMCs? You get different. Who's that one guy? Elon Musk. His vehicles are different. 50 miles a gallon. Sorry, Wagoneer. Not worth 103,000. Sorry, not doing it. Nothing special. Infinity and beyond. Right? I get it. It's great to have the money to buy these things, but you can buy a house for that. You can buy a condo in Miami and play golf. I get it. 22 miles a gallon, it's a joke. What? Just because it $70,000 for this vehicle? Come on. What the hell's wrong with you people? I'm sorry. The Navigators are nuts. Nice vehicle. These are getting to be 110. The Navigators are nice. Those are real man drives these. Real men. You're a bad boy. Right there's your gangster. It's Aaron Hernandez, his gangster car, huh? You know what I'm talking about, huh? Mm-hmm. I guarantee it's 110. It will guarantee. Not that I can buy it, but yeah, 107. That's wrong. It's got to be at least 30. I like it. I'd buy that. It's got more. That's got a little more. I like it. Looks a little nicer than the other stuff. I'm sorry, but the other ones are not that special. I'm sorry. This is a nice vehicle. The other ones look like a box car. But 110,000 is a condo in Miami, my friend. Right there. So I guess this is supposed to be luxury at its finest, I guess. It's you again. The Aviator. I just the gas mount's a joke. 61,000. Sorry, nothing special.
Because you know the weird thing, Johan, is that
I just. What's the big deal here? I don't see anything, overly special. It's not that special, the song says. What do you think, young man?
Color would be hard to get used to.
Yeah, I think you could. If you listen, if you gave us your birthday, would you complain?
No.
Okay then. If he showed up in your front yard, I don't think you complain. Never hurts to ask your friend for that for birthday. Christmas, whatever. Christmas in what is it? April? It just snowed, right? Good April Fool's joke. It's a great song. You're not that special. I could, At Lexus, the boys out of they sell the large vehicles. But I'm sorry. The Navigator, I get 110 grand, but I'm not paying $350,000 for a vehicle. Just because you can, but.
It's kind of like rose gold. I've always Lexus is my favorite. When I was growing up, all the basic ones.
They don't look anything different than you guys saw the Hondas, right? They don't look anything that special. And half people looking at these can't afford it, don't want it in the first place. This is not a working class vehicle. This is someone who thinks they have money.
Let's see this one here.
But as my friend said, Mr. Rossman, years ago, you can have whatever you want as long as you make the monthly payments. See, the top should be down this sucker. It's going to be a convertible. Put the top down on the damn thing. This thing is Mercedes. Come on, $200,000 for a 2022 Mercedes SL6 Roadster? No. You ready to take it outside? The top should be down. That's all I'm telling you. Turbo. Nice. Let's see how much they want for this pig. You get 19 miles a gallon, garbage. They want, I really can't see, I know it's not 60 grand, but nothing special. So here they have, starting at 46. That's it, starting at 125 grand. Are you kidding me? And they're all plastic too as well. They'll get recalled. You watch. You don't want to take it out in the wintertime in Minnesota. It's like you have the hottest woman in the neighborhood, you take her every single night at the bar. There's nothing in here that makes me want to get a hard on, right? There's nothing in here. I'm sorry.
Yeah, you bet.
Defender. See? Nice. Land Rover. It looks like, again, it looks like a crackerback box. Nothing special. What the hell do I want this? I guarantee this is what the hell this ugly thing is. 20 miles a gallon. 107,000 they want for it. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. One for this pig right here. No, they got them locked. God forbid you can get into it.
Yeah, I know.
94,000. You can buy a condo in Miami. Hell with that.
I'd have to pay the extra $3,000 to be a gas company.
Nothing in here, sweetheart, is cheap. So anyways, what the hell is this ugly thing? Oh God. You call this? We're not in Africa, we're crying out loud. It's ugly. Land Rovers are ugly. How much do they want for this pig? Get 19 miles a gallon? No. 90 grand, so it's $100,000 all give and take. I mean, this is a gangster vehicle. You drive around with your buddies. But yeah, here we are, luxury road, nothing special. So anyways, guys, this is the last one. Hope you enjoyed the little adventure. 6 videos up in May. I don't know. Just make a good car for the working class, that's all I'm saying. Walk around, wish you could have it, right? So anyways, guys, from the auto show 2023 in Luxury Lane. For some reason, I think it's great. I'm gonna look at this pig. What do you think, huh? Nice. It's probably the best of the pick of the litter. The top down this sucker. Go to Bellagio in Las Vegas, play some poker. All right, guys, from the outskirts.